This toast. This toast is very good.
Yeah?
You went out and bought some of the good bread, didn't you? With the Mormon on the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hello.
Hello, Jim?
Hello. Who is this?
Jim Carroll?
Yes. Hello. Who is this?
This is Jessup. I know this is strange. This is a strange call to make to you, Jim.
Hello?
Hello, Jim?
Jib's on the phone. Who's this?
Laura?
That's okay, Jessup. You can tell me anything. I'm just eating breakfast. I like talking at breakfast.
Jim, you probably don't remember me. It was on a train. At night.
Jessup? I didn't think I'd ever hear from you again.
It's been a long time.
Me and Jim were just eating
A
breakfast.
train? Well, that must have been a train going through the mountain pass. I'm sorry, but I don't remember meeting anyone on that train.
That's okay. I understand. But listen, I was with someone named Martha. Do you remember meeting her on that dark train going through the mountains?
Martha?
Is it a good breakfast, Laura? Any eggs?
Just toast. And coffee.
That sounds good, Laura.
It is good. I didn't think I'd ever hear from you again. After that night on the train.
Yes, Jim. Martha. You remember Martha, don't you?
Who the fuck do you think you are? Calling here? This is my house!
It was a long time ago. But I think about you so much, Laura. I think about you every day.
I was just eating breakfast with Jim, Jessup. He's a good man.
You'll never get away with what you did, Jim. You've always known that.
Hello? Hello?
Jim Carroll.
Why
Yes?
are you calling me,
Who's
Jessup?
this?
It doesn't matter who this is, Jim. I just wanted to make sure you were
Jessup?
enjoying your
I
breakfast.
wanted to tell you why I never came back for you.
John Spade.
It's Martha, Laura Carroll's twin sister.
What else have you got for me?
I watched her die, Laura. She was so cold. I tried to keep her warm somehow. I tried to rub her skin and keep her out of the snow, but she had bled too much, Laura. He tossed us off that mountain train, and she died bleeding into my shivering arms.
Listen,
Laura,
listen, I've had it up to here with you creeps.
I didn't think I was strong enough.
Who do you think you are asking
But
me
I'm
about my
not
breakfast?
Strong enough.
How's
to
your
look away
breakfast, huh? Do you
forever.
have any eggs with your breakfast?
I need you, Laura. I need you. I can't go on.
Oh, God!
Don't hang up, Jim.
Hello?
Jim, I saw the strangest thing today. Do you have a second?
You need to know what happened on the train that night.
I was walking by that hair salon on Deaverview. You know, the one with the big oak tree?
My twin sister, Laura,
There were all these birds in that big tree.
fell in love with an ugly man
I'd never
named
seen so many
Jessup,
there. They were like little finches. or
whose
something,
eyes
you know?
were the color of cherries,
Little
and
ones.
whose mouth
And
was
they'd all
warm
been
and dark like a
Picking
dog.
hair out of the dumpster to make these big, beautiful nests. And
It was a
all different
long
colors.
train ride through the snowy mountains,
Gray and bright
and it
red
was
and
very
black and
cold.
little strands of blue.
Jessup
I'd never seen anything like it.
was kind to me, but he was very
But
stupid.
I can't stop thinking about
He'd
it.
spend hours asking Laura questions
It was almost like that tree was full of people
about different birds
looking out at me over the road.
and breakfast habits.
And those birds, Jim.
Jim, why haven't you answered the phone?
Jim, are you there?
I always answer the phone.
Then why haven't I been able to call?
You must have been calling the wrong number.
This number is yours, isn't it?
It is.
It's not someone else's number?
No.
You've been alone for a long time, haven't you, Jim?
No.
You haven't found your way after all this time.
No. No.
What's your deal, Jim? What are you about?
What are you getting at?
You killed her, didn't you?
Who?
You cut her up and threw her off a train.
Who?
Your wife, Jimbo. You put your knife in her and threw her into the black white, you nasty...
I'm warning you.
Did you like the way it felt? You can pass right through her with a knife like that. You can't just throw someone off a train every day.
I didn't.
You
I
always
didn't.
wanted to. Everything's so hard
I didn't.
to push.
I didn't.
Tired just walking down
Martha,
the street.
not
You'd always
real.
wanted to turn
Martha's
the
not
world with a
real.
little push,
Not real.
huh?
And I
You'd always
didn't.
wanted the
I didn't.
world
Hey,
to
I
turn
didn't.
falling into
I didn't.
your bed. You
Martha's
fucking
not real.
fucker. I
Martha,
see you.
not
I
real.
see
Not
you
real.
there,
Martha,
you
not
fuck.
real. I didn't.
I've got my tongue. Gray,
Oh.
wired, red-blooded slut. I've got my toes on your asshole. I know my cheek.
Oh.
You fucker.
No.
I see you eating your
No.
toast. You're warning
No.
me. Toast. Butter.
True. No.
Toast.
No. It's not true. It's not true. I thought I killed Laura, but I didn't. But Laura's right here. She's fine. We just had breakfast. We sat, talked, toast, salad, had breakfast. It's all good. It's fine.
If you've enjoyed letting Theater of the Electric Mouth invade your mind with
Train dogs.
please consider subscribing to us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, or wherever it is that you're currently experiencing this. And hey, while you're at it, be sure to leave us a review. We want to hear from you.
Train Dogs was written by me, Justin Evans, and directed by Molly Cohen. It features the voices of Kristin Aldrich, Cara, Lexi, Hauck, Jake Regensburg, and Cory Ringdahl, with sound by Molly Cohen.
Theater of the Electric Mouth is a global theater collective dedicated to titillating your minds through your ears with absurd and literary audio dramas.
And remember, when you want the good bread, get the one with the Mormon on the bag. Until next time,